So here we go again. My back against the wall and I'm crawling again. Looking up high, asking how loud, why it gotta be this way. While it's pain that I go through, I ain't feeling it, dude. And for it be a good day, I need a pack of that hate. I got some problems that be lurking like 12 every day and night. I try to take care of the shit, but it's like getting in a fight. I hear the words coming out, but you punch drunk like Mike. I ain't trying to embarrass you, yo. I'm just speaking the fact. Now that I heard what I heard, I can call it defeat. I done lost what I asked for, like your boy was bashful. Just be thankful, cause some people can't get what you get. Don't be the bully, cause I can be Debo in the flat. I'm really the nice guy, like Chucky and Andy. And don't be poking at the bears, cause they just might get you. I know I need to slow it down before I get old like bread.
I wonder why I'm still falling. Why you feel like I be out here stalling? Back against the wall, I'm starving. And it sound like I hear angels calling. I wonder why I'm still falling. Why you feel like I be out here stalling? Back against the wall, I'm starving. And it sound like I hear angels calling.
I hear him calling, take over my soul. My soul is falling, nobody knows. He can take your heart, kill your soul. We all gonna die, let the truth be told. I miss you, Tyresha, you saw I would be whole. Sit in peace, I see you, let it be told. I love you, Grandma, why'd you had to go? My Uncle John, I got your music soul. We some lost souls, let the truth be told. We was born to die, did you sell your soul? The devil got control, let they word be told. The truth your foe, keys dripping gold. Original man, it was never told. We some kings and queens, let that story be told. Open up that book, we got some angel souls. We always protected, that's how we roll. Angels keep calling, they want my soul. Living in darkness, I got a dark soul.
I wonder why I'm still falling. Why you feel like I be out here stalling? Back against the wall, I'm starving. And it sound like I hear angels calling. I wonder why I'm still falling. Why you feel like I be out here stalling?
Welcome to my waterfall. It'll take you down to my love, love, love. I can turn this faucet on. You got me unplugged, I keep running. Now baby, flow with the current. Ain't no use if I ain't go slow, what's the hurry? When my toes start to curling, you doing it right, yeah, yeah. I'm like, don't stop, get it, get it. All up in it. They so damn little with it. I'm like, hold up, this is different. I like the way it feels. I just might have to take you for real. You got me on drip, drip, drip. We turn like click, 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 it's lit. My baby got that fire. Yeah, you got that fire. And I'm on it like drip, drip, drip. We turn like lit, 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 it's lit. My baby got that fire. Yeah, you got that fire. I'm on it like that's that shit. That's that great, you know it.
Just let them say what they want about us. We don't give a damn, 'cause it's just the two of us. And we don't need nobody else, girl. I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you right here in my arms. I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you right here in my arms.
It's just the two of us. I don't give a fuck. Let them people talk and say what they want. They don't live our life, nor they feel our pain that we go through when we struggle, babe. You know I got your back. Yes, I really do. We don't need nobody, and that's the truth. It was destined for us to meet and become as one. Best believe it's so crazy how love is pain, but I love you, babe, and I can't explain. No, I mean well. Yes, I really do. Please forgive me for all the things I do. You make me feel special as a woman, babe. You're one in a million. So bring it, babe. It's just the two of us. So let the people talk and say what they want. Yeah.
Just let them say what they want about us. We don't give a damn, 'cause it's just the two of us. And we don't need nobody else, girl. I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you right here in my arms. I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you right here in my arms.
This your girl Nisha in the shape. Where my real bitches at? Now don't we make these hoes wanna boss up? Don't I make you wanna boss up? Got my money right now, I'm bout to fuck them all up. Hoes see me and they boss down. Jumping in the whip, bout to go and tear them all down.
I get money, I'm in these streets. I grind for mine, boss up like me.
Me and broke bitches, we don't get along. Bitch, I be higher than a renaissance. Wintertime with the chinchilla on. Summertime, I be riding with the silicone. I'm from Ypsilanti, that's the killer zone. If you want some problems, we can get it on. Make a phone call, I can get it gone. Trapping off a phone, I can't even get no bitches on. Don't I make you wanna boss up? Got my money right now, I'm bout to fuck them all up. Hoes see me and they boss down. Jumping in the whip, bout to go and tear them all down.
I get money, I'm in these streets. I grind for mine, boss up like me.
Your little dirty ass nigga wouldn't touch that. He be acting all cocky, where his bus at? Got a ride to my spot and caught the bus back. He was trying to fuck, I said fuck that. I'm getting hate from these rap bitches now. I'm laying down tracks and they tracks sticking out. If he see me with a nigga, then he cashing me out. Got your man in my DM, he be asking me out. He want you bitches disgust me, you broke and disgusting. Don't ask where I shop at, it's not in your budget. I see it, I want it, I cop it, I cash it. I boss up with bosses, bitch see me in traffic. I'ma make you wanna boss up. Got my money right now, I'm bout to fuck them all up. Hoes see me and they boss down. Jumping in the whip, bout to go and tear them all down.
I get money, I'm in these streets. I grind for mine, boss up like me.
Everybody got killers too. Blowing on some shit stronger than Gorilla Glue. Got gorillas and birds, I should get a zoo. Bitch, you look like you belong in a zoo. Moving forward in the game, I don't backtrack. I'm on all these hoes' ass like a tramp stamp. Hoes hating cause they all know she the shit. Keep my name out your mouth, hoe, eat a dick. You bitches disgust me, you broke and disgusting. Don't ask where I shop at, it's not in your budget. I see it, I want it, I cop it, I cash it. I boss up with bosses, bitch see me in traffic. I'ma make you wanna boss up. Got my money right now, I'm bout to fuck them all up. Hoes see me and they boss down. Jumping in the whip, bout to go and tear them all down.
I get money, I'm in these streets. I grind for mine, boss up like me, yeah.
Shady Angel, Elijah Baines, Lost Jim Music.
I've been gone for a while, but I think I'm back now. Yes, I reformed, I reworked, I wrote it on inside. I had to do it on my own. Never let it get the best of me. I'm stronger than before. Now my spirit and my soul are free. Maltratar, mal amor, esto fue mi camino. Aguantar, amarte, adorar tu esfuerzo. Nunca rindes en ti, eres ese fuego en tu alma. Tú eres tu propio refuerzo. He told me I love. There was my way before. Just hold on and love yourself. You know there's always more. Never